Anybody I see, wherever I go, well-educated people, people in best position, people those are actually even living comfortably, still they have a big problem. Guruji, I don't know what to do. I think this is my karma. My wife is miserable. My spouse is miserable. They don't understand me. I can't live with them. My life is miserable. This is not right. You have no rights to label someone. We should first stop doing this. Very cheap people, very low profile people. See, I'm not using the word poor people, uneducated people here, because poor people, uneducated people, I have seen the best of the best human quality. I'm talking about the mentality, cheap, low profile mentality, highly educated, but they have the nature of labeling someone. They take the last weapon to finish someone. They damage their character. If someone is saying that you're bad, don't worry about it. Just happily say, yes, I am bad, but not as bad as you, and just move on. Is this the right attitude? Of course it is the right attitude if you're ready to learn. Because what they said about you is not about you. It is their perception. But coming to reality, you should not have a mentality to be affected by someone telling you that you're bad. Don't do that. Please. I'm personally requesting you to understand this, not even to do anything. Humans can never have a same character with two different persons or two different people. So you don't worry about it. If somebody says that you have a bad character, just don't bother about them. Just don't bother about them. Veda says simple principle to associate with people. When somebody is disturbing you, don't bother them. When somebody is bothering you, don't disturb them. But when it comes for character, you cannot have the same character. That is called, realization. Your job is to take effort to realize you have God power within you, is called realization. So why do you need to worry about someone telling that you have bad character? Please don't do that. Because it is a simple truth. Nobody in this world can have a same character with two different people. Or put it in this way. No person in this world can have a same character with two different personalities. When you say some woman is a bad character, she may be the best of the best sister available for their siblings. She may be the best of the best parent or a mother available for the children. You can't imagine. Now I come to the first point. I want you to understand this. Your wife is not miserable. Your spouse is not miserable. Your life is not miserable. Your children are not miserable. If you say my wife is miserable, which means your experience with your wife is miserable. If you say my spouse is miserable, your experience with your spouse is miserable. And somebody say my life itself is miserable, your experience with your life is miserable. It's very simple. So your wife is not miserable, because the wife who's miserable to you is a beautiful sister to their sibling. It's a beautiful mother to their children. It's a beautiful child to their parent. Same with you. When somebody says my spouse is miserable, my husband is miserable, no, your experience with your husband is miserable. Now what is that you can do about it? That is called relationship. You have given them permission to disturb you without your permission. That is the first advantage of being in a relationship. Take your time to understand it. But know the other secret of relationship. Every relationship is nothing but the reflection of your own self. Anything and everything. Because you think that this is how my husband is going to be with me, and you get the same from him. Guruji, I never thought about it, but I'm getting it. Now, sit in meditation and try to change the experience by creating the unseen experience from your husband by seeing it in meditation. Same fits for everything, from your children. What you are seeing is not what you want to see, but you should still see in meditation what you want to see. At least in relationship. Now things will start changing. Every time you run with this kind of mentality, knowingly, unknowingly, this 3 level of mentality, I'm not even talking psychology. This is a different level. First is identity. You identify yourself as a student or as a profession or as an husband, whatever. These animals don't have. First is what? Identity. A student will say, I'm a student, I'm studying in 4th grade, I'm studying in so-and-so school, I'm studying in a best school compared to other schools. So for the same category of age, even from the very young age, they say, I am from this school, you are from that school. All this happens. You can't stop it. But the second one is individuality. The place where you grow, how you connect yourself with what you study, what kind of philosophies you read, what kind of belief you hold, what kind of discipline you possess. This is, individuality. But this too is also Maya. There is something called reality. There is something called reality. If you are in human form, you alone have the power to connect with a formless God and to create a great reform for yourself and for the society. Being a human being is the biggest of the biggest blessing, and that is the reality. No one in this world is the reason for your suffering. No one in this world is the reason for your success. It is only you. The only person who has got the potential to change your life to the next level is not even God, it is you. Because only when you decide to change your life, now God's power will work through you. When you are not prepared enough to change your life, in spite of being a God itself in human form, no change will happen. And second, the only person who is responsible for your health and happiness till the last moment of breath is you. Is you. This is the second reality. And the third reality, tell yourself all the time, I will not keep blaming anyone. I will not label anyone. From this moment, I will live with this simple understanding and create everything that I want in life. What is that? This is what God wants you to know. Till you have life in you, you can have all you want in life. All you want in life. This one understanding will make sure everything will fall in place. But you need to realize this one simple reality. Till you have life in you, you can have all you want in life. You are the only person who is responsible for your life. Aham Brahmasmi.